what's going on, everybody? Jerry with 3DHP. And I got a short little video here. I just wanted to give an announcement that all my streams, I'm moving over to Twitch, and I'll keep my videos on YouTube. I'm going to start streaming all my live streams and my hangouts over on Twitch, and we'll see how it goes. You know, they got an awesome community over there, and I thought I'd give it a try. So there'll be a link down below if you want to come check me out over on Twitch. Jerry 3DHP or something like that. Anyway, I'll put it down below. I don't remember what it was exactly, or I'll put it here on the screen. But I wish everybody a happy new year in 2022. It's going to be awesome. I think it'll be a great year. Hopefully things will get better and prices will come back down. And, you know, happy printing. Whatever you guys are working on, I hope you have a wonderful day, a great weekend. Be safe tonight. If there's any problems and you're drinking too much, take a cab. You know, get a ride home. Be safe. You're all my friends. I love all of you, and I'll see you over on Twitch tomorrow at 1 p.m. Pacific, Saturday. My hangouts are every Saturday at 1 p.m. Pacific. I'm streaming many different days on Twitch, so please come find me there. Be safe and happy holidays. Thank you, everybody, from 3DHP.